Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the Marshal of the Air Force. Can you see the old bull, Ashok Rai, standing leading the second batch, commodores, generals, marshals, and there comes the batch of 1968, led by none other than your able, Air Marshal Verma, and their ladies, Bago. Oh, wow. Permit me, I am a junior, but still that's my pride, and everlasting Odia Sardar, Hardaman Singh with his granddaughter, the batch of 69, and the man from across the globe, Dr. Arun Padi, who has come all the way down to share the dice with you, sir. The swine, the present president of the OBA, Pritish Basa, and Mr. Bora, all the way from the northeast, having flown down to this place. What a day, sir, what a day. And the compeer of yesterday, the daughter of Hardaman Singh clicking away photographs, the radio jockey in Big FM. How proud you must be to face with Mohanty. And look at the ladies, they want to stand first, like always. 1970 batch giving way to their ladies. Pani rise, PL. Suddenly the Pani appears. Sir, isn't that a lovely batch? Even I belong to that batch, sir.
Hey, you come down.
1970, what a wonderful batch. Give it up.
You come here.
Let the parade move.
Okay.
And there comes the batch after the war, 1972. Still putting on the cap. Lieutenant generals. And look at the gentleman with the long little beard. Where were you all these days? Okay. And then they are followed by the 90s Karnataka, Mr. Mahapatra. Wow, look at them. They seem so young as yet. And last but not the least, in the last of the lines, the present chief of the engineering department of East Coast Railway. And he, Katal lage, Atidu. Next in the line, 1974, proudly coming up. There you are, resplendent best. Can you see them? Marching past. Wow, the Jainas. And wow. Wonderful. And look at the ladies, they are also saluting. And wow, the Air India pilot. The good old Air Force Group Captain, sir. What a smart pilot. He was in the communication flight. Maybe, when he was young, he must have led you. And look at the daughters, the granddaughters. Ah, the ladies saluting away. The Mohanties, the thanks for the salute, lovely ladies. It is better than the gents behind you.
Thank you.
Cameraman, please come back a little. Please come back a little. The Opians are full of sentiments today. They might stand. And next on, 1976. Wow, 1976. And look at the ladies saluting. Look at the ladies saluting. And the Nandas, wow, look at them. Look at them. What a motley little team. Wonderful. Must be proud to salute the only. Welcome, welcome. And they are very careful. They all want to have a long look at the marshal. All in one line. Wonderful, sir. The man from ITRs, the colonels, the lieutenant colonels, everybody. Look at that salute. And somebody even without a salute, marching up and bracing up like they say in the army. Wonderful, sir. Proud day. 1979. Wow. They also want to have a longer look, even a longer single file. Well done. Have a long look at the good old marshal. Remember this day. Savor the great gentleman who is waving at you. Ladies and gentlemen, the OBM is on the mark. 50 years on the move. Sainik School on the move. Daughters, maybe even granddaughters. Wonderful ladies, you look beautiful. 1980s back. 1980s back. Wow. Lieutenant colonels, brigadiers, Madhu Party. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the batch which has created a record of entries into the NDA. 21 cadets are entered into NDA from this batch. 22, I stand corrected, 22. You halt there. Look at the marshal. Sir, wonderful gentlemen. Yeah, I will give you 1 minute extra.
Sir,
Stand there. Many of the people down on the borders belong to your batch. 22 cadets, a record for any. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an Odia Sardar there also. We thought it was only Hatavan Singh until we discovered yesterday. Welcome, sir. Proud members. 1981, 1982, there you have. I can see many commanders, colonels in the line, waving more to the crowd and saluting the marshal. Well done. Well done, 1982 batch. The children, grandchildren. Wow, look at the stepping. They're all in the same race. Wonderful. Look at the race. The 50th year's Easter. They're all together. This is the largest number of cadets who have enrolled. Except one cadet, the entire batch. And this batch, yesterday, came from Puri. And day before, I believe, they spent the day together at Puri and they arrived here early in the morning. Wonderful spirit. Keep it up. Long live the OBMs. Look at the old OBMs from the early batches clapping away to their juniors on the right side. Man from Tea Gardens. Man from Tea Gardens. Wow. 1984. Look at the arms. This is the badge which donated a top trophy to the school. Look at the smart. A great salute to the Marshal of the Air Force. 1985 badge. 1985. Small but powerful. Look at the confidence test. Wonderful. Wonderful. Well done. Mr. Sai. 1986. Many of them have gone abroad, they say. And that is why. But one of the grandchilds to lead them. Wonderful. 1987. Wow. Look at the step. Look at the marching. The wow, the eyes right. And the stumping of the leg. They haven't forgotten. Look at the man dress in golden sari, symbolizing the golden jubilee. Led by their school captain, Dr. T.N. Patnaik. Give them a hand, ladies and gentlemen. All gents in the same dress, ladies in the golden dress. That's what the spirit is made up of. That's what the spirit is made up of. And the mascot, they do have a mascot for themselves. Wow. 1988 batch, proud of you. 1988 batch, the largest batch, marching off. To know for all the old OBMs for the next rally, we shall do the same.
I am the godfather Kalki. Thanks.
Next in the line. Yes, wonderful. The spirit is there. The flesh is willing. And the step 1990. Look at the flagpole. Look at the flagpole. Hurriedly arranged, but it is there all right. Bamboo stick, the Sanyals bamboo. Well done. Look at their dress. All in black. All in black. That absorbs all the colors. The colors of the Golden Jubilee. Well done, sir. Smart, charming, spirited lady. A great wife, I'm sure a great husband. Are you there? Yes, leading the line. Wonderful. Wow. Look at that. Waving the cap. Beautiful. Beautiful.
You come here. You come here.
1992 batch.
Ladies and gentlemen, 92 batch, they get the Special President's Award for highest.
93 batch. 1993 batch. अरे छोटा फ्लैश तो हुआ तो क्या हुआ? पकड़ एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग है. What a fantastic पकड़. आने वाले देखो. वाह, lovely salute. Professor of the Master of the Air Force. 1994 batch. Absolutely in state. Obviously not yet forgotten. 1994. Well done. You're going. Next in the line, 1995. Welcome. Go ahead. You have a long way to go. 1996 batch. Well done. The Lone Ranger, 1997. Three students. A century later, but not too far. 2000, absolutely instant. 2001, turn of the century. Yes, 2001, only one. What can do for 50 years? This young boy has done in the last 15 days. Well done, Tapas. March on to glory. Next in the line, year 2003. Year 2003, the last but not the least batch. Young, smart, stop, salute, look, Seval the Marshal, the sea. 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 95. Look at the marching band. I'm sure all OBMs will remember they too did the same thing long time back. Only thing you had the canes, they have an SLR. Smart, upright, in step. Look at the hackle. Look at the hand. Look at the rifle. Look at the steps. Left, 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 right, left. Wow! Everything in tune. Could you imagine doing the same? Devendra Sahu, where are you? Come close to me.